Top Builder quoting allows you to take existing Excel worksheets and quickly convert them into accurate and professional quotes and proposals, allowing your team to win more work, increase profits, and reduce quoting time by as much as 75%. Top Builder quoting is designed to help contractors quickly and effectively win more projects while maintaining professional and accurate quotes, all while using the existing and familiar Excel Takeoff and Estimate worksheets. Start with an existing Excel worksheet takeoff or estimate worksheet. Create a summary tab that lists all the items that make up the project estimate. Open a lead and create a new quote. Import your worksheet directly into the quote. You're all done. It's that easy. When importing your quote worksheet, new items are added to your parts database. Existing items will maintain their current item pricing, markup, cost information, if not specified otherwise in your worksheet. This allows you to maintain a master database of items and prices, which is synchronized with your accounting system for up-to-date cost and pricing information. Convert your quote to a professional proposal. Add a cover letter, scope of work, inclusions, exclusions, job photos, addendums, etc. by uploading any Word, PDF, Excel, or image file. Preview your quote page by page or in a combined PDF. Send it directly to the customer for tracking, alerts, and electronic signatures. Your original worksheet will be uploaded to the lead record for future reference. With Top Builder's quoting and Excel integration feature, you reduce the time it takes to produce, distribute, track, and follow up on quotes and proposals by 75%. Additionally, you will increase your closure rates by at least 10% by producing complete, professional, and accurate quotes, all while using the worksheets you love to work with every day. To learn more about this feature or about Top Builder capabilities, please reach out at topbuildersolutions.com and schedule a full demo today.